Hi, Mark here. It is Tuesday, August the 19th, 7:50, going on 8 a.m. Eastern Time. That's going on noon GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's have a look how our major instruments are shaping up. I'm going to start, as always, on the US dollar index. And there you can see going back the last few days, neither buyers nor sellers really able to break out of this sideways range that we're seeing. Red, green, red, green. Today, red again, meaning US dollar being sold off. On the index, we can see that resistance 98.18, but the dollar has come down since the open. Support at 97.70. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you see the steady sell-off. You can see a double bottom, a strong reversal sign on the hourly. That would be US dollar buyers looking to reverse and recoup the losses from earlier. We'll see how that plays out during the US session, which is about to get underway. Let's have a look at the S&P. Been pretty flat, as you can see, hang around these high resistance levels. Today, yesterday, a doji indecision, neither buyers nor sellers able to break out in either direction. End of the day where it started. Today has pushed lower. That's in futures trading. Wall Street only opens up in an hour and a half, but has tested lower, supported 6,454, and now looking at intraday resistance, 6,471. Once Wall Street opens up, we'll see whether buyers are able to break above this resistance level and get back to the 6,500. Alternatively, if sellers continue what they started earlier and able to test break through that 6,454 support area. Let's have a look at gold. Gold also has been flat, no real direction, comfortable within this 3,320, 3,360 area within a roughly a $40 range. Showing some strength today, having bounced off this very strong support area around 3,320. That's where our support is again. Resistance 3,344. Buyers will be looking to test break above that 3,344 and above the 3,350. Looking up at resistance here from yesterday, 3,358. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see slow, steady demand for gold, and looking up here at testing this 3,344 resistance area. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Also look at the open and close prices within this range between 60, pretty much 65 and $66 is where it's sitting right now. Yesterday bounced up off a very low support at $64.74, a monthly low, bounced up. Today back to the downtrend and a continuation of what we've seen since the end of July, beginning of August, slow and steady downtrend Brent oil. Sellers looking to test intraday support today at $65.19, looking down at yesterday's low at $64.78. If buyers do step in, they'll be looking to test and break above the $66 level. Bitcoin. Bitcoin certainly continuing the sell-off following this bearish engulfing candle, which we had on the 14th of August. It's been a slow, steady sell-off. Yesterday, support at 114.7 today. Even that little bit lower, buyers did step in, but looks like downtrend still intact. Bias is certainly down for now. Look at the EMAs, how wide they've separated with the leading indicator pushing lower. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see the early push lower in the Asian European session. Fighting back now, Bitcoin hanging around this 115.5 thousand. We'll see if buyers can continue what they've started over the last few hours, bouncing up off this support area, looking back up at the 117,000 or higher. Alternatively, where the sellers step in again and look to test and break below the support level at 114,500. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at end of day session.